Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am doing a review on Modelones Ideal Gel Polish Beginner's Kit. I was sent to this by them for review, and I'm really excited because I don't know that much about gel polish, so I'm going to be learning a lot as I go along. Taking everything out of the package, I did previously open it to take a look-see, see what was all in the bag. There are top coat, base coat, 6 colors, and I'm going to show you everything. I'm just going to show you everything. Okay, out of the bag, there is this brush for, in one of the steps you file, you buff your nails, take this brush, do this, plus wash your hands. There are 2 nail files in here. This one is 100/180 grit washable disinfectant, it says. That's really cool. This is 600 3000 grit. Oh, one side's white. Alrighty, didn't know that. I'm not too sure about that source. If anybody does, like I said, I'm new to this, so leave me a comment down below what this is about. I'd appreciate it. There is a Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. Okay, let me show you the files. Cuticle oil, which, let me check this out real quick. Okay, I don't know if it's scented or not. Let's take a look, see. I have a glove on because of the manicure I did. The video's not been released yet, so it's a secret. I don't smell anything, so I don't know. I don't think it's scented. You have your brush to scrub, scrub, scrub. You have your toe separators for your piggies. Fingernail clippers. Gotta have that. Always gotta have that. I'm just gonna dump this out so I'm making all that noise. These, I was told by Nails of Interest. I don't know how well you can see that there. Whoops. These are cuticle cutters, I think. I don't use that. I don't do that, so I don't know much about that. We have got here a Cuticle Pusher. I'm excited to have this. I do not have one. So this is going to come in really handy. And here we have got, we have got a one-time 70% ibuprofen, and I know it's not how you say it, alcohol swabs. I didn't know those were in there. I didn't see that. You've got 2 packages of UV gel removal dedicated pads. These, I believe, you tear the top off. You stick your finger inside. It's got the gel polish on it. And this is, you soak them in there instead of using the clips. And you just put your finger inside here. Wrap it around your finger. Sit there for a bit. These may make me try out gel on my nails. I don't know. I'm not saying for sure. I'm not making a promise. It's just food for thought, knowing that I have these. This light also comes with it. It is a foldable, collapsible light. It has the button in the back. Right there. There's also a spot for the cord, which is a USB cord. Same that plugs into my Android phone for Metro PCS. So, and I got pink. We got directions in here. We've got the little dabbers that you can paint and put on your bottles. Directions Product safety. Box delight comes in. Okay, we've covered everything there. I did play a little bit early before doing this video with some of the colors. Okay, with all the colors. This one, I don't know what I was thinking. I just put one color in all three of the swatch stick spaces. So this will give me something to play with my She Modern down the road. I'm going to now show you each color. There are not names, there are numbers. This is 8087, which is this color here. That's like a bubblegum pink. Kinda. I don't know. I really like this color. Hope you can see this on camera. Really like that. That was that color there. This should be this color here. This is number 8116. And our next candidate is 8113, which would be this. I'm going to call this like a nude color right here. The middle one. I think this is. I like these colors. They're classic set, classic collection, classic colors. They do have winter set. They do have fall. This is again 8113. The next color is this one here at the top. I don't know if this extra light. Oh, if you can see it well enough. Yeah, this is better, I guess. Sorry about that, folks. I don't know what you think so far about this kit. It's a beginner's kit, starter kit, whichever you want to call it. If you have this, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. If you're thinking about getting this kit, you can find it on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. I will also leave the link to the Modelones store on Amazon, if that's what you call it. Work with me. Okay, our next color is this, kind of in a way a mint green in a way, but a duller one. It's not just it's not a blue. It's in the green family. Makes me think of mint green. I really like it. I like the colors, but I'm more of a winter, autumn color. I like the winter colors better of any nail polish collection. This is the blue right here. This is number 8021. I'm sorry that I wasn't reading off all the numbers. This is my first time doing this, and this stinks. Have an ADD moment, I guess. So those are all 6 of the colors that come with the set. You also get a base and a top coat, full size. The smaller bottles of the polish are 7 milliliters, 0.25 ounces, which is not very much. These are real small. Where's my lighter? Here's a lighter, average size. So these are tiny. I need a drink. Hold on, I'm parched. These are my swatches. I've showed you all the ingredients of the package. Cuticle oil. Guess I should put that back in the box. My bad. I am going to have another video coming up Tuesday. You're really going to want to keep your eye out for that one and watch it. I have a special announcement. I can't tell you what it is. You just have to watch and see. Like I said before, with these removal pads, I'm seriously thinking about trying some gel. Maybe at Christmas time I'll do something. I don't know. I'll think about it. The coarser, I don't know how it goes. If it's the smaller the number, the coarser the grit. Which would be this. 100, 180. It is to buff your top coat when you're going to remove it first before the removal pads. Like to bust it open, or I don't know, crack it, break the seal, something like that. So curious about this white. I don't know if maybe that's to buff it. I didn't open it. I guess I should. How can I review something if I don't open it? Oh yeah, that's to buff it. Okay, don't need to comment about what the white's for. It's the buff. Now I know. Oh yeah, that 600, 3000 is pretty gritty. If you would like me to fully test these out for your viewing pleasure, your curiosity, leave me a comment down below. Oh yeah, this one is super gritty. I can't promise I'll do it right off the rip, but I will. I do have another set of Modelones that I really do like. So, I don't know, maybe I'll check these out. I would like to play with this set here with my She Modern, my ombre powders, and some of the decals, the water decals. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all this. So the Modelones beginner set. You can find it on Amazon. And I'm sure on their main website. I've not been on there to check, but I'm sure that you can. USB cord. It comes in handy. It's great. It fits my phone. Which is great. Because when I was playing with this earlier, I just plugged it into my USB. Whoops. I forgot my phone was plugged in. I just plugged it into my phone cord, and there you go, I was all set. So I guess this is the end of the video. Remember, these are the colors. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Please click subscribe. You're definitely, for the next video or two, going to want to be here. You're going to want to be subscribed publicly, people, to my channel. So stay tuned. Have a blessed day. Thank you.